Well, when it comes to financial leadership, one of the things I do at every single workshop, the very first thing I do is I invite people to shift their thinking. I invite you to shift your thinking because I want you to think about learning, and I want you to think about developing your career. And I want you to think about, how much more prosperous you're going to be with financial leadership skills. And it's not about accounting, it's not about getting you to do accounting, it's about actually introducing you to business, the business of hotels, not accounting.
What are some tangible elements within business thinking that you're getting people to start thinking about?
Well, in business, if you don't have business acumen, if you don't have the ability to express the strategy of the business and understand your numbers, your career trajectory is limited. And people know that, people see that, but when you can actually show that to them and show them that there's a way that they can actually get that, they get excited because that's what they really want.